Have you ever wondered what really happens when you close your eyes? When the world fades away and you drift into dreams? Are they just random fragments of thought? Or could they be something more? What if every dream you've ever had was a message, a key, a doorway into the hidden self you rarely meet in waking life? Act I, the threshold between worlds 0:30 to 5 o'clock. Each night, without fail, you step into another world. A world shaped not by walls and cities, but by images, sensations, and hidden memories. In that place, time bends, rules dissolve. You can fly across oceans or sink into shadows. You can meet strangers who feel familiar, or loved ones who have long since gone. And when you wake, you wonder, what was real? What was illusion? But here is the secret. Dream states are not mere illusions. They are reflections, mirrors of the hidden currents of your own awareness. Inner reflection, storytelling. I remember a dream I had years ago. I was standing at the edge of a vast desert, the sky painted in colors I had never seen. Behind me was a city crumbling like sand in the wind. Ahead, endless dunes stretched into silence. I felt torn. Do I stay in the comfort of the familiar? Or do I step into the unknown? When I awoke, I realized the dream wasn't about a desert at all. It was about a choice. One my waking self was afraid to face. Dreams are the language of the hidden self. Act 2, the subtle energies of dreams, 5 to 10 o'clock. Dreams arise from subtle energies. They are woven from thoughts you buried, emotions you ignored, desires you left unspoken. Your waking mind tries to control, to measure, to reason, but your dreaming mind, it is wild. It dances in rhythm with deeper truths. In that space, the energies you carry, fear, love, doubt, hope, they take shape. They become people, landscapes, storms, and silence. Every dream is an energy made visible. Every symbol a map, leading you closer to the self you've forgotten. Rising tension, philosophical reflection. Think of the last time you woke from a dream you couldn't shake. It clung to you, didn't it? Like a whisper you couldn't quite translate. That is no accident. The hidden self is trying to speak, but it doesn't speak in words. It speaks in symbols. It speaks in the language of energy. And when you learn to listen, you begin to see that dreams are not random. They are lessons. Hey friends, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And make sure to leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, don't forget to follow us for more inspiring content every week.